What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Charmander from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes out and we'll bend that up towards the side. Let's line this up all the way over on the right side and do the same thing. Going out and then bending that up. Now you connect the ends with a large half oval. Let's start on the outside and go up and out and then in towards the top. Just round out the eye and just pull that down towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around towards the top of the eye and round this out, go around and then back in. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. Let's start from the inside edge of the left eye, curve this up, come down the side, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, come all the way around, and then bend that in. Let's go to the top of the pupils and draw a small oval for a highlight. Go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's go to the inside corner of the eye, draw a straight angle line going up, just aiming towards the center of that highlight. I'm going to curve this down and then back up towards the side. Let's fill that inside area of the eyes. Now I want to add a small fold along the inside of the eyes. Start with a curve going up, then out. Line this up on the right. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start right in the center, start with a point. Now from here we're going to curve this up and then bend that out towards the sides. And then on the ends, we're just going to bend this up, aiming towards the eyes. Now we connect the ends with a curve, coming down towards the bottom of the mouth, round this out, and pull that back up. Let's add two teeth along the top, come down and then up like a V. Do the same thing on the right. And add two smaller teeth along the bottom, going up and then down. Let's go up in the center, add two short angle lines going up for the nostrils. Now from here we move out to the side and draw in the cheeks coming in towards the body. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eye, move out towards the side, curve the cheek going out, come down. I'm just going to bend that in. Let's go over towards the right, going out, around the cheek, come down, and then in. We want to leave a gap in between. Now to go back over towards the left side and draw on the top of the head. We go up, around the eye, and just bend that back in towards the top. Let's round out the head, go all the way around the right eye, come down, and then bend that in. Now we're going to move down and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down, line this up on the right. Out and then down towards the same height. Now I want to leave a gap along the hips and add a curve. Coming down from the left and then back up. Let's add that large patch in the center of the body. On the left side, we'll step in, curve out along the left side and up towards the top. Let's round out the top, come down the right side and then bend that in. Now from here we're going to draw the inside leg working our way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's leave a gap in the center. We'll start on the left, angle this down and out toward the left and right side. And we'll bend the leg coming in and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, going out towards the first claw. We come down and then up. Let's add in the first claw. From the end, go up, and we'll bend that down towards the bottom of the foot. Now you want to stack 2 more claws along the outside. From the tip, we'll step up, go straight out, go up towards the top of the claw, tuck that in along the top. Let's do that again. Stepping up, going out, go up, and then bend that back down. Now from here we're going to move back up to the hips and draw the outside of the thigh. From the bottom of the body, let's step up, curl the leg going out. Just going to round out the knee and then just pull that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, come down, and then bend that in. Let's go to the top of the last claw, curl the foot going up and in behind the thigh. Now we're going to go back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. And we'll line this up on the right. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the left, going up and out with a straight line, and coming straight down. Let's add the second finger, going straight out, come down and in. And add 1 more finger pointing down. And angle this up and in towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, let's curve the arm, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. On the inside of the hand, let's add the thumb, going out and then in. Now you want to swing the tail coming out along the left side. Let's start from the left thigh, curve the tail coming down and then up. Now we want to taper this down and then in towards the side of the thigh. Let's add a trim along the bottom, starting from the tip, come down and then back in. Now you're going to place a small flame in behind the tail. From the tip, we'll step down on the left, bend this out, pull that back in, we'll bend that back out towards the top. Let's bring this back around and then in. Let's add 1 point going up towards the hand and pull that down in behind the tail. And then we'll finish off by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Charmander from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.